Hi guys, in this video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. We will cover everything you need to know about crypto, so this is going to be the beginner's guide. So, if you guys have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. As we all know that crypto is getting boom day by day. People are investing in crypto more than ever, and in recent few years crypto investors have increased significantly. So if you already know about cryptocurrency, then you may watch it for further information, and if you are a beginner in this race, then don't be worried, because we are going to guide you step by step on how you can invest in crypto as a beginner in 2022. First, let's talk about what exactly crypto is. Crypto has different names. Sometimes it is called crypto and sometimes it is called cryptocurrency, but our matter is to know what this term actually means. So cryptocurrency is a digital type of currency that uses encryption algorithms, and you can say that it is an alternative form of payment. Now the question may arise in your mind, what are encryption algorithms and encryption technologies? Encryption algorithm means that these cryptocurrencies work as virtual accounting systems and also as digital currency. So now it is clear what crypto actually means. Now let's talk about how to invest in crypto as a beginner in 2022. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, then let us tell you the first thing that you are going to enter in a trading space with the best market value. The market value of this trading space has passed the limit of $1 trillion. Before investing in crypto, you must have a stable internet connection, all personal identification documents, and your bank account information. Now, let's invest in cryptocurrency. The very important step to invest in a crypto is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. It means that you have to choose a medium from which you want to buy the cryptocurrency. It means you need to choose a broker for your stocks. After choosing the exchange of your choice, you will make an account with that exchange, and here we are going to list some crypto exchanges in front of you. You may also choose any option from these: Gemini, Kraken, Binance, GDX, Bitfinex, Coinbase. After choosing a cryptocurrency exchange according to your choice, now you may move towards the next step, which is to start purchasing the cryptocurrency. When you choose an exchange, they will make you purchase the crypto by using your debit card. You can use different cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin, etc. Here comes the main point, that what these coins actually costs. These coins have different cost values. A coin may have a value of thousands of dollars, but when you work with exchanges, they make you buy these coins in fractions. This way is more beneficial for those who are investing in crypto for the very first time, but as these exchanges are leading you your way, they will definitely charge for this. Every exchange has a specific charge fee which you have to give them with your every transaction. Now let's move towards the third and final step, which is to store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. When you purchase a specific unit of crypto, it will automatically be added to your wallet. This is your virtual wallet, and the money in this wallet you will receive when you will open your account with your selected exchanges. This wallet has security codes. You have to open the wallet by giving its security code. There are two types of wallets available: hardware wallets, software wallets. The hardware wallets are actually the physical devices that may hold crypto. It may look like a USB drive, and definitely it is more secure than the other wallet because it is with you all the time in your custody, but if you don't want to buy a hardware wallet, then it is totally your choice, as it is not that much necessary. If you are investing a very big amount of money, then you may buy a hardware wallet as well. Now the second type of wallet is a software wallet. These are just the simple software that contains all your crypto information. You definitely need this software to keep your trading activities, and you will automatically get a software wallet whenever you will deal with any specific exchange. So this was all from today's video, as we tell you about the basics of cryptocurrency and the types of cryptocurrency, as well as how you can invest in the cryptocurrency as a beginner. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you want to watch more videos like this, then leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.